Welcome to Stress News. My name is Samantha Emerson, and my colleague is Peter Easton.
Today, we have stress coach Natalie Frost in the studio. She will look at the importance of listening to our bodies and feelings.
Natalie, why is it so important to listen to our bodies and our feelings?
Our bodies and feelings send us essential signals. If we listen to them, we make much better decisions in life.
Can you give us an example of essential signals from our bodies?
Our bodies tell us when we are too tired and need some rest.
But what if we don't have the time to rest?
There will be situations where we must do something, even if we are tired, and that's okay. But if we never listen to our bodies, we will have a problem, because our stress will escalate.
Will we have a better life if we begin to listen to our bodies?
Yes.
Can you give us other examples of signals from our bodies?
Yes, our bodies tell us when we are hungry and need to eat, so we can get the energy we need. Or they tell us if we are getting ill. The body can also give us a headache if we are sitting too long in front of the computer.
Why are we not good at listening to our bodies?
We do what we have learned from our parents and society.
Could you give an example of something we have learned from society?
Yesterday, I saw an advertisement in a large Danish newspaper for a headache pill. The pharmaceutical company writes, "Take this pill and your headache will disappear immediately." This sends us the message that taking a pill will make our problems go away.
What's wrong with that?
It doesn't teach us that there is a reason for the headache, and when we take the pills, we are not treating the root cause.
It seems that our bodies are much smarter than we usually give them credit for.
Yes, our bodies are quite intelligent.
Can you give us a metaphor from daily life?
We can compare it to driving a car. In the car, we have a dashboard that tells us when we need gas. It also shows us when we need to recharge our batteries, and even when we need to add water or oil. We all know that we should listen to our dashboard for our car to work optimally. The same is true if we look at the signals from our bodies and feelings.
Is it normal for people with a lot of stress to fail to listen to their bodies?
Yes.
Can you give us an example of that?
When we are too stressed, our bodies will often tell us that we need more rest. But since we have no time for that, we drink another cup of coffee and eat some sugar, but we don't get more rest.
So we are good to listen to our cars, but not to our bodies.
Yes, that is right.
Will we experience less stress if we begin to listen to our bodies?
Yes, we will.
Why is it essential that we listen to our feelings as well?
Our feelings tell us about things that are important in our lives. They are a good way to discover what we want and what we don't want. In a way, our feelings are the compass that shows which direction we should go in life.
Can you give us an example of our feelings?
If we are always angry or sad when we are at work, and we have done everything we can do to make it better, I would say that our feelings are telling us that it is time to get a new job.
Natalie, do you have any questions for those who are following Stress News today?
Yes, I do. Could you be better at listening to your body and your feelings?
Natalie, this is the last day you are here with us. I am so glad you came.
Tomorrow, we will meet Energy Advisor Jonathan Harper. He will teach us how to get more energy in our lives.
See you all tomorrow on Stress News.